That PGM file is a portable Graymap image, grayscale pixel data stored in the elegantly simple Netpbm format family. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you view, convert, or process these grayscale image files. We're tackling this PGM file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. PGM files are grayscale raster images in the Portable Graymap format, part of the Netpbm family. They store single-channel pixel intensity values representing shades of gray, and are widely used in image processing research and scientific visualization applications. PGM files use either ASCII P2 or binary P5 format, with a header containing a magic number with height and maximum gray value followed by pixel data. They support bit depths up to 16 bits per pixel and are designed for simplicity and portability across platforms. There's a proprietary link between the PGM format and IrfanView by IrfanSkillion. Accessing the full range of data requires a validated decompression tool. Windows offers built-in viewing for many formats, but editing depth depends on graphics applications. This is the first step toward access. Right-click your PGM file, then select Open With. Try IrfanView if you have it. If not, select any program from the list. The goal is to find one that reads the format. When a PGM file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. The refusal of the file to open is likely not complex. It's one of the top 3 basic reasons. I'll give you a simple 3-point checklist of common causes and the immediate fix for each. First, viewing the image. Open the PGM file in IrfanView GIMP or XNView, which all support Netpbm format natively. On Linux, use the display command from ImageMagick or the EOGI of GNOME Viewer. Most scientific image processing tools also open PGM files directly. Next, converting to PNG or JPEG. Use ImageMagick from the command line by running convert input ppgm output PNG to convert to PNG format. In GIMP, open the PGM file and use File, then Export, as to save in any common format, including PNG, JPEG, or TIFF with full quality control. Finally, processing in code. PGM files are ideal for programmatic image processing due to their simple format. Read ASCII PGM files line by line in Python using NumPy, or use OpenCV's imread function to load PGM images directly into arrays for computer vision and machine learning applications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. It's time for the master key. When the simpler solutions for your file were unsuccessful, you need the format-agnostic power of FileMagick. Get the download link at filemagick.com. If you know someone else struggling with this file, please share this video. A like and subscribe goes a long way.